The Siberian sandflower is a small wader in the flower family of birds. Siberian sandflower. This bird and its American sister species, the spotted sandpiper, make up the genus Actitis. Common sandpiper. The common greenshank is a wader in the large family Scolopacidae, the typical waders. Common greenshank. The Eurasian or common wimbrel, also known as the white-trunked wimbrel in North America, is a wader in the large family Scolopacidae. Eurasian wimbrel. The black-tailed godwit is a large, long-legged, long-billed shorebird first described by Carl Linnaeus in 1715. Black-tailed godwit. The common redshank or simply redshank is a Eurasian wimbrel of the large family Scolopacidae. Common redshank. It has distinctive red beaten plumage, long legs,